I'm Bob.
And this is Bobby. And here we are after the yard work scenario, Whitefish. We are now leaving Whitefish with those delicious center beam cars. We're going to be going through Columbia Falls. Right, Bob?
That's right, Bobby. And, we're gonna be taking a stroll through Montana, eastward, I believe. And, this will lead to leaving Whitefish, Part Do So, which is 2.
Subscribe now.